Just another casual day here at the Lutz house, and every car in the driveway is on jack stands. Once again, coming at you from the sitting position in the driveway. That thing is getting stuff. It's definitely got a Cali lean to it. I need to slam that front like another inch at least. It looks like a Cavalier and it hurts so great. This thing though doesn't look like a Cavalier. It's about as fast as a Cavalier. I was like, do that again. Keep doing that. Hold on. I gotta zoom in. Keep doing it.
The bit is ruined now.
How impromptu. we
didn't
even plan that. I'm leaving all that in there. So today I got to move from right here to over there. I hurt my wrist, so I have to go wrap it. But then he's doing stuff to the Jenny. So finally, you guys.
Nobody still knows anything about it.
You guys asked for Genesis content, so far I came in halfway through a turbo install, and now we're coming in halfway through a diff swap. That's the kind of content you can expect on my channel. Half-assed the end of everything and a lot of complaining about how cold it is. So speaking of which, I'm cold. My steel toes are chilling my innermost big toes. Civic is getting stuff done. I just filmed this, you can tell, highest of quality. I'm in the same spot. I'm doing an intro to that video and this video. So I'll go maneuver into a better spot that I can sit but film the whole thing. So catch you guys in a second. Well, I literally left for 13 seconds and he's got that piece off. That one looks, that's an improvement, honestly, actually. I'd almost leave her like that. Today we have the Genesis, we got the Civic over here. Oh, Civic's over there, I moved it, that's right. Ha ha ha, I'm funny, because it's a dumpster. Anyway. You get the action shots.
As I hammer a Mastercraft screwdriver into my exhaust lip joint.
You're making a lot of noise up here, so I'll go back here. So, he was left alone on the internet, once again, and he was looking at some freaky things, including, make sure I don't drop his diff, he'll be so pissed. So he went and picked up a diff for the Genesis. Now, I know you're wondering, how did a Hyundai part fail? But, actually, it's just an LSD. So this is going to be 373 gears, I believe, and he has
391.
Oh, that was a dramatic zoom and a holler from afar.
And I just got it tuned, didn't change my gear ratios or anything.
See, I stayed with the 3 bushings, painted it nice and black so it'll rust slower, but still rust.
I regret asking you to come help me with this.
We get the action shot of you catching that right in the teeth.
And the bummer is how much I paid for it too.
Oh, most good. Don't worry, I'll put some really dramatic music and do some...
Oh wait, that's copyright.
Do some strange effects, but...
Fish eye in the wild hands, like from the 90s.
I'm joking, I don't have that kind of editing experience. I'll be honest, I'll put...
Oh, they'll love that.
Okay, point from here so I don't have to get down there. Oh, I see, right?
There.
Oh, yeah, it's that side.
What are you on about?
It's the diff bushing. So that's...
One there, and then 2 up front.
Is that dummy plug on the right? You have to drill that out for bushing?
Yeah, if you want to add another one, you drill that out.
So basically the 3 different mounts for the diff.
Wiener slider.
Oh, what? And then the drive shaft, I guess.
Demonetized.
So unfortunately the camera angles are going to be subpar, not because I'm terrible at everything. Shit. Okay, easy.
Hey, there's that fletch joint coming useful.
Oh, there's wow.
I'm sure that's not going to wreck it.
We're only using this one because I don't have my little one. I don't know where it went. This thing is also broken. I kind of glued it all together down here so I can't even collapse it. This is the kind of quality content you come to expect from me. Really really shitty editing that looks like a PowerPoint, and then just really bad angles and lighting. So,
for the love of God, give this man subscribers.
I'll do a nice panoramic view though, like dun dun, pew pew pew. Looks like a Cavalier, right? Oh, what are these? Harbor Freight jack stands, Kyle? Any second now.
Any second.
It'd be weird to just like halfway through this video turn into a memorial for you.
Thanks for the vote of confidence.
To be fair, I think one of them, no joke, is actually broken. I just don't know.
It's one of the red ones.
Oh, good. Okay. Well, everything in there is broken. So I'll set you guys up on a tripod to stare at the back of a subframe for probably not too long. Are you rubber malleting a ratchet?
A snap-on ratchet.
Holy shit. Oh, there. Okay. Can you do it again because I was yelling? Oh my god, what did you just do?
Well,
You go down and bolt that.
turns out that that bolt doesn't clear the sway bar. So I guess that's coming off.
I hung up on the phone call for parts to get that. That was amazing. I wish I caught the realization on your face.
Yeah, it was probably a good reaction.
Just loosening that off until the socket hit. Oh, okay. Well, don't do it.
Your phone call.
Don't do anything else funny. I gotta call these people back. I'm gonna get this on film so that I can say I did something and I helped.
I would get it on film because it's so rare to happen. No, please keep helping.
I loosen it. That's the slowest drop. Just hold on real quick. I know we're in the middle of something important.
One hand holding it up, pry bar on the axle. What do you want to come up with, Shane?
Just want to show me sitting in a chair.
Are you
leaning
actually
forward
right now?
holding a check? Hold on, don't do anything.
The axle do a face, and you're like, "Well, look, that's funny."
Look at me, I'm doing absolutely f*** all.
I can't even see where I'm prying off of on that side.
I can. It's that 007 music. Surely they can't copyright. Oh, my hand, it got cold.
Can we get the diff
I thought we're done.
Oh good, at least the insult was content.
We're gonna do that YouTuber thing where I go like, bam, and then it goes to the next scene. Bam! So 3.9, that's a gear ratio.
That's
Jesus
not
Christ.
A boy.
Woo.
I hope the 391s to 373s.
None of that's going in because that was a bumpy ride. But you know what is going in? That diff. And if that one's broken and doesn't fit, then that
now
diff.
that all has to stay in for that to be for continuity.
You think any of my shit is continuity?
Yeah.
Even editing my stuff, I get migraines.
Yeah,
trying to
sometimes it's funny. Like some of your videos, you'd be like all this statement, and then just like a critical step completely ignored and disregarded. It's I wish the camera caught that. You fool.
I know. I know. What does it want?
You have to hit unlock.
I did hit unlock. We're yelling. Oh my god. You almost ate all of the shit on camera. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Jenny works. Diff does spinning.
Jenny is together. We won't say works just yet.
Oh, it's spun it on jack stands. That's about as good as you'll need. So that's pretty much it.
It's one of my cars. I prefer it doesn't live on jack stands.
That's just mean. They're all on the ground. They just don't run. So, turned out LSD. Pretty nice and happy. Curious. Okay. Don't mind me shooting a video. Curious how the different gear ratio is going to be, but honestly, don't think you'll notice a huge difference.
I looked it up, and it looks like I should only be different at 100 kilometers an hour. I should be out by about 3 or 4 kilometers.
Yeah, minor. Absolutely minor. Well, that's pretty much it for the Genesis.
Don't we gotta do a fucking drive video?
Oh my god.
What?
So that's pretty much it. It's cold. We will do a drive video soon. I know it's like the 4th time we've said that. Every time you guys... That's probably even louder under there.
Yep.
That's pretty much it. So walk around in a drive. Should be pretty quick.
Walk around.
Just got an LSD, new exhaust, 300 horsepower.
Yeah, the thing has literally gotten like double its value, and we still haven't even been like, look, here's the car.
Yeah. But look, here's the car. So I gotta do the thing where I say, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. We'll see what we do next week. I don't know. Let's see if stuff even shows up for the cars I own. Oh, get stuck in Memphis, Tennessee again. Oh, never mind. We can take this apart and see what happened. That's what we'll do. There's a hole in it.
That video in 6 months.
Yeah, there's a hole in that. So, you know, yeah, let's hope I even own the car that came out of by then. Yeah, see you next time.